As a mentor to lots of students, I see so many students that are wanting to learn to trade the markets that don't have any clarity of where they want to go as a trader. They say I want financial freedom, but they don't know really what it looks like to them personally. So I think one of the most important things is goal setting is really important, but having a clear understanding, a crystal clear understanding of what you want to achieve as a trader. Otherwise, we'll never know whether we're getting closer to that target. Now, of course, you should put down financial goals of how much money you want to be making, because that's why we're in trading. As a day trader, I want to make money. That is my number one goal, is to be profitable every single month. But you've got to look longer term on that as well, especially as you're developing and you're new as a trader, you're learning this skill. You want to have clear understanding, clarity of where you want to be as a trader, and ask for help from people around you, your loved ones, people that you're living with. Tell them this is your goal and this is what you want to achieve, because I'm sure they're going to benefit as well from your financial rewards. So ask for help from your loved ones. Now, this is a really big thing here, and this changed my day dramatically. I don't have to-do lists. I have a calendar list. What that means is every day 6:30 to 9:30 I put day trading. I'm day trading in my calendar every single day, so I know that I'm committed to 6:30 to 9:30 every single day, and the people around you as well will see that in your diary, and you're committed to that. It's just not trading that I put in my calendar every single day and get rid of the to-do list. At 12 to 1, I'm exercising, I'm out on my bike, or I'm at the gym. And so I know if at 12 o'clock, I've got to get ready to go out. Doesn't matter what, as long as there's no emergency somewhere, I am going to be on my bike from 12 to 1. And maybe you're doing your emails, I don't know, from 10 to 11, but literally block it out in your calendar. It really does help. To-do lists are, they build up. You don't achieve what you wanted to achieve today on the to-do list, and then it's added to tomorrow's to-do list. I like to just put things in my diary, and that includes day trading the markets as well. Now, you might be somebody that works full time and you haven't got time to day trade the markets. That's fine. In the evening times, maybe block out in your calendar 8 to 9. It really does help when it's blocked out in your calendar. 8 to 9, you're going to be scanning the markets and learning how to trade the financial markets and looking for trades that are setting up. It's well worth it, guys. It only takes 1 hour a day, once you've learned the skills, to scan the markets, find trade, put orders in, and place some trades. So make sure that you block out those times in your diary. It really does help. And as I said to you, to-do lists are long gone. The last thing, which is really important, is rewards. Once you've traded every morning, or in the evening time, you've blocked it out and you've done your trading, and you've done it again tomorrow, and then the next day, and then the next day, and you followed your strategies to the best of your ability, and you get to the end of the month, what is your reward? Okay, it could be financial reward because you've made lots of money that month, but how have you got better as a trader? How have you performed this month? What was you like? Because you are performing, aren't you? You're like a sportsman. Somebody going out on the football pitch, you are actually playing the game as a trader. So how did you perform with your trading this month, this week, today? And what I would say is it's all about reflection. Reflection is my reward. Okay, so at the end of the month, I just look at how much better I traded this month, or I might not have traded as well as I wanted to. I reflect back on it. But it is my reward because I've grown. Even if I haven't traded well this month, I've still grown, and so will have you. You'll still learn loads of stuff, and you'll have still developed towards your financial goal. You'll have got better as a trader because you'll be looking back saying, yeah, I did, it was a good month. I made these mistakes. I'm not going to beat myself up. This month I'm going to do better. There's no better reward than reflection. There's no better reward than self-growth. There's no better reward than getting better as a trader, and that applies to every skill. So it's not always about how much money you make, it's also about how well you've grown, or how much you've grown as a person, as a trader this month, and got better. And if you're struggling with your trading, just think about all the information you've got already in your subconscious and all the learning you've already got from the mistakes that you've made, from getting to trades too late, get into trades too early, not placing a stop, not having the right money management, risk management. You know, you've learned that, so much of that. And so take it on and become a better trader from that. And that's the reflection, guys. That's the reward.